is raining again. And we just got up a little bit ago. Ooh, it's lightning. It's lightning. You hear that thunder? It's thundering. It's thundering. So, I need to take a shower. But I'm going to wait till nap time. And hopefully the storm will be over by nap time so I can take a shower. And my eye's twitching again. Why is it every time I make a video my eye twitches? I don't get it. So I have made the decision that I'm going to just go ahead and fix this by dyeing black over it. Because I have a wedding to go to at the end of the month and I don't want my hair looking like crap, and it's like fading really bad. And it's like multiple colors. So I'm going to go ahead and dye it black, I think. Until after the wedding. Then maybe I'll do something else. But I'm going to dye it black for now. So it looks okay for the wedding. And we're watching the Science Kid. And it's raining. It's raining. And lightning. And thundering. And you better stay in here, little girl. You hear the thunder? Uh-oh. I hear it. Uh-oh. Was that a big boom? So right now I'm just laying down resting my foot because I was up doing dishes and then I got the kids dressed, so my foot started to hurt. So I'm resting my foot right now because I need to. Look at how cute she is. Are you racing cars? Vroom, vroom. It's raining. It's raining really, really heavy. I would get up, but I don't want to. Guys, let me check the weather real quick. And make sure it's not we're not under any warnings. Gotta keep track of that stuff, guys. Oh. Let me check the weather real quick. And then I'll turn it back. Let's see what the weather says. I'm not seeing anything on this. Just checking the weather real quick, guys, and then I'll turn it back. Are you smelling your foot, Logan? Well, it doesn't look like there's anything severe. So I think you guys are good. So, maybe after I take my shower today, I might go ahead and do my Q&A today. Because I have a feeling that John's going to be working on his truck again. My car almost caught on fire yesterday, guys. I have a feeling we're going to be getting rid of my car. Because yesterday, the whole ride home, the whole way home, John said he was smelling smoke in my car yesterday. Well, when he got home, like, he was smelling like an electronics burning smell. So when he got home, he unplugged the battery. So anything that was burning would stop. So he worked on his truck for a little bit last night, and then he went and hooked the battery back up. And the components for my windows and my locking system on the driver's side door, there was smoke coming out of it. Smoke. So John disconnected the battery again and tore the components out. So pretty much my car wanted to catch on fire because there's something wrong in the box that makes the windows go up and down. the electric box for the lockings and stuff. So, yeah. And the transmission's not doing so well in the car. So, it looks like we might be getting rid of my car. And Logan is... So, yeah, I might be getting rid of it and having to get a new car because... yeah. It's not safe for me to drive. So... John's trying to get his truck down as fast as possible. Maybe I'll take you guys out in the garage tonight while he's working on it and show you what he's doing because he's painting his truck. So maybe I'll take you guys out in the garage and show you later tonight. Because he's probably going to be working on that again tonight. And then probably going to do my Q&A later. I need to take a shower and all that. So I just thought I'd make a quick vlog. I'm sleepy, guys. And the kids are really loud. So, yeah. And I'm not sure if Cookie's going to be making any videos today because she's babysitting today. So we shall see. I'm not sure. Because I can't get signal to text her because of the storm. What are you doing, Logan? I'm going to have to get up here in a minute and start making lunch. I think. What time is it? I don't even know what time it is, guys. I am so sleepy. I woke up at like 7:22. And I laid in bed for a little bit. And then came out in the living room. And it was like 8:11 and I went back to sleep for a little bit until like about 9. I woke up at 9 and just laid around for a bit. And then the kids woke up about, I want to say 10. It is raining like crazy, guys. So about 10. I got up. And, yeah, I'm still sleepy. And the season premiere, it's the last one of Teen Mom, is on tonight at, I believe, 10 o'clock, and it's 2 episodes in a row, so it'll probably be on till about midnight. So I'm going to be up late tonight. And so I'll probably upload some videos, and while those are uploading, I will probably be watching that. And maybe paint my nails, because my nails need painted. It's been forever since I painted them. I'm so sleepy. So I need to get, I would like to take a nap, but I need to take a shower, so. And if I don't take a shower, he's so silly, guys. He's silly. So, pretty much, at this point, there's no point in me going to the doctor now, because it's been 4 days since I've hurt my foot. So, it's, either way, it's already healing. Regardless if I fractured it or not, it's already healing, so there's no point in going, because all they're going to say is, I waited too long to go. So, I just have to wait and let it heal. It felt really good this morning. I slept with the wrap off last night, and this morning I could rotate my foot all the way around. The bone on the side of my ankle hurts. I still can't put any pressure on it. So, yeah. Hi, babe. You want up? Let me move this stuff and you can get up. Hold on, guys. There you go, Pumpkin. Okay. Logan, get off your head. You're gonna fall off that chair. Logan, stop. So we're just chilling today. Right now. I'll have to make lunch here eventually. I'm not sure what I'm gonna make. Something yummy. I'm hungry. Logan, please stop doing that. Logan, stop doing that, please. Sit right in the chair. Logan, sit right in the chair. Yes. You hear that? He tells me no. Logan, stop doing that. Sit right in the chair before you fall. I'm gonna have to get up. You see what I deal with, guys. Even though I have a hurt foot, I still have to keep getting up. Stop that. Come on. Sit right in the chair. What time is it, guys? I don't even know. Let's go check. I gotta put my phone by the window anyways. It is 11:30, so I have like a half an hour before I gotta make lunch. So, yeah. I think the rain's settling down finally. Oh. So, anyways, lay back down. I think the rain's settling down. We're gonna sit here and chill. I'll have to get up here in a minute and start making lunch.
That's the sound that the first two letters in plain make. P and L.
I'm sleepy, guys. I'm really sleepy. I need a nap. Hopefully Logan will nap today so I can get a nap, because if I don't get a nap, I'm going to be cranky.
This is no time to play. Now you have me doing it. Oh, here's what we'll do. We'll go into the jungle.
Sorry, guys. I zoned out and completely forgot I was videotaping. Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy. Coming up. It's Blinky. The kiddos need haircuts.
There's no time to stop and smell the flowers, Bee. We have to follow the plan and find.
Alright, guys. Well, I'm gonna go so we can watch this, and then I'm gonna make lunch. So.